Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, this is National Award of the Language Bar. So here one person asked the question, the diagram basically which you see basically in the land. So here one person asked one more question basically. Sunil, basically in previous video lot before basically you had told that satellite, one of the satellite group basically asked the question to Sunil Arnair basically. One of the satellite person basically asked the question to Sunil Arnair. Sunil, basically you in previous long before basically you told that basically 700 crore human souls are getting processed, 20 crore basically child is getting prepared, the next generation basically data what is going to insert, that data basically also we have, that basically you can see basically from in the superpower computer basically. So Sunil Arnair told me, yes, basically that basically I had told long before. So that is satellite group basically. They asked this question basically. Do you know what is that? They basically told that Sunil, basically this 1 lakh land, 1 lakh buildings basically which is in the Russia land basically. They are basically passing the data basically with the help of the water and the lots of seasons basically are there, and their data basically is processing from the energies are processing from the UAE land, then basically it goes to the Asia land, and then basically it reaches to the UAE land. So this data basically you can see. So one of the person basically Sunil Arnar basically told that basically this data basically that we need to check basically whether this data basically we have or not basically. That only basically TCS group basically can know basically. Why? Because they are the number one software company basically in the world basically. So one person told that yes basically. So TCS group basically might be having this data basically which they can see basically. Why basically I am telling like this? Because the buildings basically what data basically they are processing basically, that data basically they can see now because they are only passing the data. Land data basically they can see. Why? Because they are only basically passing the data. So all data basically is supposed to be merged basically and create one system basically, that is the data integration system basically, that basically they might have created long before basically. That means one of the person told from the Sunil Arnar basically told that satellite group basically might be get this data basically. Why? Because this data basically might be basically, but 100% we are not sure basically. They might be having this data basically, and they basically can see the data. So next we will see.